In today's competitive job market, a PMPR certification can significantly elevate your professional trajectory. Offered by the Project Management Institute, PMI, this globally recognized credential demonstrates your expertise in project management. Why PMP certification matters. Holding a PMPR sets you apart in applicant queues by signaling your mastery of project management standards. Certified project managers often earn higher salaries compared to their non-certified peers. PMP certification opens doors to global roles and diverse industries seeking proven competence. What you gain. You gain structured knowledge of planning, executing, and closing projects successfully. You build credibility with stakeholders by demonstrating adherence to best practice. You join an international network of certified professionals, enhancing your career opportunities. Who should pursue it? If you lead projects, guide teams, or coordinate cross-functional initiatives, PMPR is highly relevant. Even if your current role isn't designated project manager, the skills are applicable and sought after. It's ideal for aspiring project leaders ready to signal readiness for greater responsibility. How to prepare and choose the right path. Start by assessing eligibility. Coursework, experience, and training requirements must be met. Select a quality training provider that aligns with PMI's standards and offers practical exam prep. Plan your study schedule, apply for the exam, and commit to continuous learning post-certification. Key takeaway. Earning a PMP certification is a strategic investment in your career growth, professional recognition, and upward mobility. It sends a clear message. You are committed, capable, and ready to lead. Take the step today to elevate your project management career.